Tradition of historiography. So far, we have learned about the historical research method, which include critical examination of historical sources and writing of a historical narrative. This writing of critical historical narrative is known as historiography, and the individual or scholar who performed this task is known as a historian. Although the historian is shouldered with the responsibility of presenting history in its complete and unbiased form, he cannot include the occurrence of every past event in his narrative. The inclusion and interpretation of historical events by the historian was often based on his adoption of a conceptual framework and the style of writing determined by the very same. After carefully observing the various facets of historiography and the crucial steps undertaken by a historian in writing of historical narrative or historiography, one definitely wonders whether human beings of distant past also followed the very same protocols. What steps did they follow to record various events that had occurred during their time period? On the basis of scarce written sources excavated through the years, one can safely argue that the tradition of writing historical narrative, that is, historiography, was not widely prevalent in the ancient societies of the world. However, one should not immediately assume that people were ignorant or indifferent to the historical occurrences that transpired during the said time period. Just as people of today, their ancient counterparts also felt the need of passing down crucial information in the form of various stories of their lives and valor of their ancestors to the subsequent generations. Hence, in this regard, ancient communities across the globe made use of various means such as cave paintings, storytelling in the form of folklore, songs and ballads, etc., for the dissemination of historical information. These traditional means are looked upon as the chief sources of history in the compilation of modern historiography.